Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a quick review of my Ulanzi VL49 LED light. I originally got this one off Amazon to help me with some of my DIY content and needed a nice light source for the things that I was working on, so this one has come in really handy. It's really easy to use. On the back here we have our buttons here, and to turn it on just slide the switch to turn it on. You press that button, it'll tell you what your battery level is. You can adjust the brightness of the light, so that's level 2, 3, 4, and 5, so really bright light. It's easy to charge as well. Just use a USB-C and just plug it in like that, and it'll charge up. This comes with a 2000 milliamp battery, so you get about an hour and a half of use out of this one when it's fully charged. The other thing I like about it here is the light diffuser on the front, so this will give you a nice light source. And then you got 3 cold shoe mounts. So let's say you needed to attach this to a GoPro. You can use this cold shoe mount on the bottom here. Slide it on like that and tighten it up. And then if you had a microphone, such as this RØDE Micro, you can take your microphone and you can slide it into one of the cold shoe mounts on your GoPro. And now you have your vlogging setup. So you have your GoPro, nice light source, and your microphone all in one. Now another thing you can do is you can take this light and you can attach it to a standalone tripod and have this light in a special spot that you need lighting. So for example, we'll take our Manfroto Tripod here and we'll thread it into the threaded mount like that. And so now you've got a handheld light. You can use this like a flashlight, or if you want to set your light somewhere to put light on a subject while you're filming, you can do it like that as well. So overall, I've been really happy with this light. Had some good use out of it, and it's been very versatile. So I think you guys are going to be really happy with this one.